Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're here behind Runway 06, and to start the video, here we go. We've got a Virgin Australia Boeing 737 on approach for Runway 6. There it is. So today we are going to be spotting behind Runway 06. I'm with Nathaniel. Nathaniel, say hi. Yep. And so this is my first proper aviation video that I'm going to be making on this channel. So with the rare and special airplanes, I will take photos on my camera. But with the light aircraft and Virgin Australia, all those, I will be taking it with my phone. So I will pop the images up on the screen of the ones I do take photos of, and if not, I will record them. And next up, I think we do have a QantasLink A320 coming in. So I'll see you guys when that comes. Okay, so here we go. We do have a QantasLink aircraft, Airbus A320, coming in on runway 6. There it is. Let's get the touchdown. There it is. So the next plane is Qantas Airbus A330, and that is in the One World livery. So I will be taking photos of that on my camera, so I'll pop them up on the screen when it comes. So I'll pop the photos up on the screen now. So that was the Qantas A330 in the One World livery. Had the sticker on the front, towards the front of the aircraft, which you just saw. So I'll check what we have next coming in on 6, and I'll see you when that comes. So here is our next aircraft arriving on runway 6. As you can see, so it is runway 6 operations today. Here is a QantasLink Airbus A320 coming in. There it is. Let's get the touchdown there. There we go. So I'll see you guys when the next aircraft comes. We have a QantasLink Fokker 100. Let's get the touchdown. Well, we can't really see from here. But yeah, so I'll film when the next aircraft comes in. Here is AirAsia. Airbus A320 coming in. From Denpasar. And next up, we do actually have MinRes coming in. So I will take photos of that, and I will also put the recording up on the screen. So see you guys when that comes. So as you just saw, that was the Rex Shark Tank livery. I'll put the photos up as well on the screen. And we're just going to have a short little break, and then we're going to come back for Springbok 280. And they are bringing the Olympic livery, which is pretty cool. So we'll have a break, and we'll see that next. Okay guys, we are back here. We're at a slightly different location of Runway 6, but we do have Singapore coming in, and then we do have QF10 here in Singapore, and then we do have South African. So let's get a few videos here of Singapore. Here's Singapore coming in on 6, Airbus A350-900. There it is. Yep, so we will wait for QF10. I'll take some photos of those and I'll put them up on the screen. And then we do have Springbok 280. So here is QF10 over in the distance, and then after QF10 we do have Springbok 280 in the Olympic livery. So here is QF10 coming in. So we're going to have a video of that, and I'll also get photos. That was QF10. I will put the photos up on the screen now. Yep. And next up we do have Springbok 280. So South African Airways are bringing their Olympic livery, as I said. It's a very cool aircraft to see, so I'll see you guys when that one comes, and then we'll wrap up the video. So here we do have the Virgin Australia Boeing 737 MAX coming in. So here it is. Here it is. Get some photos as well. That's pretty good there. So next up we do have Springbok 280, and that'll wrap up the video. And as you can see, it actually in the distance over there. So yeah, we'll see you guys when that comes. So here is Springbok 280 coming in. So we just saw Springbok 280 land over there in the distance. So that'll wrap up this video today. It's just some plane spotting, some runway 06 ops today. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.